ओहो, तुम तो बहुत ही सेंसिटिव हो, इतनी छोटी छोटी बातों पे नाराज हो जाती हो. You are so thin skinned. Toughen up. These are comments that many of us are guilty of making, and I'm sure many of us have heard these comments being extended towards sensitive people, who, in my humble opinion, are highly misunderstood. अगर आप सेंसिटिव हैं या आपके आसपास कोई ऐसा शख्स है जो बहुत सेंसिटिव है, then this is the video for you to watch. In this video, we will discuss why do sensitive people behave the way they behave, what are their strengths and how they can be fully utilized, and what are their struggles and how they can be minimized. Research shows that 20% population is highly sensitive. Out of that 20%, 50% of them are men. Yes, brothers, 50% of you are sensitive. But luckily, research also shows that you can be sensitive and very strong as well, contrary to popular belief. Deeply analyze everything. Unfortunately, their sensitivity can be taken as a negative quality at times. You have to remember that it is not a voluntary choice, it is a genetic trait. It's like when you say you are sensitive, you're saying you have black hair, or you have brown hair, or you're blonde. Differential susceptibility is a fairly new concept. It means that highly sensitive people are more negatively affected by their negative experiences. But the good news is that they are more positively affected by their positive experiences. Less sensitive people are less affected by both negative and positive experiences. Sensitive people have more mirror neurons in their brains. These neurons are responsible for making us more attuned towards the moods and feelings of other people. They also help us to imitate others. Sensitive people can actually feel the hurt the other person is going through, like it was their own pain. You have to remember that sensitive people have qualities which are becoming more and more rare in today's world. They're highly empathetic. किसी के और नज़रिए से चीज़ों को समझना और देखना एक बहुत ही invaluable quality है. For that, we need to celebrate sensitive people and embrace the love, compassion, and kindness that they exude. So imagine a world without sensitive people. We need them for our survival. Unfortunately, they have many struggles as well. 5 जो major challenges हैं which sensitive people face, we will be discussing them. Number 1, they have strong visual reactions to violence and cruelty. Number 2, sounds, smells, and light can be overwhelmingly intense for them. Number 3, insomnia, depression, and anxiety are common problems with sensitive people. Number 4, majority of sensitive people have an aversion to crowds. They get overwhelmed with too much information around them and can develop cognitive fatigue. Number 5, they get hurt easily if they're scolded or criticized, even if it's coming from a good place. They tend to take things personally. They are their worst critics and can be very hard on themselves. Imagine कि एक तरफ आप खुद अपने आप को बहुत ही क्रिटिकल नज़र से देख रहे हैं, फिर दूसरे भी आपको क्रिटिसाइज करते रहें बार बार. So that can be quite detrimental to one's well-being. They process things at a much deeper level and therefore can be moody. वो सब अच्छे मूड में उठेंगे, लेकिन अगर सिग्नल लाइट पे किसी और ड्राइवर के साथ कोई नेगेटिव इंटरेक्शन होगा तो दैट कैन लीव देम डिप्रेस्ड एंड अपसेट. Some things that are not important to most people can be very important to sensitive people. So we must remember not to take their reactions personally. It has nothing to do with you. We have to remember that we must reciprocate their love and compassion to them when they really need it. Solitude and alone time is necessary for them to re-energize and recharge themselves. They thrive in peaceful environments and being close to nature. That's something that we need to understand. There's a very good book by Elaine Aron. It's called Highly Sensitive People, which I would recommend for people who deal with sensitive people and for sensitive people themselves. My message for sensitive people is that we need more people like you. Please don't trade your authenticity for approval. Express your sensitive side, but it is also okay to say no to people. Please surround yourself with positive people who uplift you. Toxic people will not be changed by the alchemy of your kindness. Yes, be kind to them, but move away and let life be their educator. Please remember that loved ones will give you constructive criticism. Nothing in the world can trouble you as much as your own thoughts alone. So please open up and communicate. You can confront your fears. You can learn to overcome your struggles. That's a reminder for myself and all of you out there. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.